Hey guys, how's it going? How to build your first Pokemon TCG deck. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Pokemon and make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. First, you're gonna choose your strategy. Pick up Pokemon type specific specific Pokemon you like, e.g. fire, water, or Pikachu, right? And basically, decide your win condition, right? Attacking quickly, building strong Pokemon, or using abilities. All right, and then basically after you done that, you need to follow the deck structure. Pokemon 15 to 20 cards include mix of basics, right? Stage 1 and stage 2 Pokemon. And as you can see right here, I can open up the card, and as you can see right here, a bite, right? And this is pack, okay? I can continue to see that this is my card. And for energy, 15 to 20 card, add energy card matching your Pokemon types, right? And trainer cards, 20 to 30 cards include supporters, items, and stadiums for drawing cards and healing or boosting power, right? And use multiples. Focus on 3-4 copies of key Pokemon for consistency, and add duplicates of useful trainer cards. And then you're gonna test and adjust. Play test against friends or online. If you want to know how to do that, just go ahead and click right here the clash kind of thing at the bottom right here next to the 3 bars. You're gonna be able right here to see that you need to reach a level 3 of opening a new cards every time, and you're gonna be able to play with friends or solo, right? And you're gonna play test against friends or online, of course, after you already picked your cards like Pikachu and Apex and Mewtwo or Charizard. Charizard. Alright, and then replace underperforming cards and tweak ratios. Okay, and you're gonna be able to see your cards from here, and you're gonna replace them or take them out. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.